Hey, I'm Jason Lauer. I'm the owner of Elevate Martial Arts. We're here working with Constance this weekend on our Kalah self-defense stuff. She's been doing awesome, getting stronger, learning how to defend herself. So we're gonna go over one of the techniques we did this weekend, which is a head grab to a takedown to then go into control and an arm lock. So it's gonna look something like this. If someone's trying to like pat you down or they're searching, maybe they're adding in stress, she's gonna get in her defensive posture, feet together, elbows tight, making sure she's looking at my chest line. If someone was then trying to reach and grab for like her money, trying to take something, this hand's gonna come underneath the neck. Go ahead, one more. That hand's gonna come, this hand's gonna grab, and then she's gonna start damaging. So head, butts, knees, until eventually this person goes down. As I go down, she's gonna sweep me. Oh, wait, yeah, all the way around. And then now damage the neck. When she feels she's safe, roll over.
And then I sit on his head.
Yes, and then go ahead, finish it.
Take his shirt. And then I wrap him up like a little present. Give me that arm. Bad guy. Comply. Get him.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do
Got
whatever you
it.
want. I'll do whatever you want.
And that is how it is done.
Yeah, thanks for not breaking my shoulders. I appreciate it.